So hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today we'll talk about business consultant. Consultants are in demand across all aspects of business. Consultants typically work on a project by project basis, providing expert advice to their clients on particular subjects. You know, particular subjects they specialize in. And the most common types of business consultants. Most common type of business consultants include marketing, include finance, and one thing that is management, with further specializations in these areas such as business intelligence or search engine optimization. Most consultants charge an hourly, a day rate. The day rates can charge from uh, approximately 1,500 to 2,000 a day, depending on the area and the demand amount of expertise a consultant has. The beauty of consultancy is you can work from your own home or on site for clients where needed. To get started, you will need to be an authority in a particular subject matter where there is a demand for outside advice. One thing, consultants are almost entirely reliant on networking or directory listings for business. In many cases, beyond the marketing, it comes down to how well you can sell yourself to potential client, how much perceived value you can offer in return for your fee. Is it? So thank you so much, guys. Be happy. Take care. Thank you.